we're going to start right into this video of this flawless foundation. I go ahead and start off with a moisturizer. You can use any of your favorite type of moisturizer, but I, of course, am going to use my Beautylish because I just love this. It also has sunscreen protection in it. So, I mean, you want your face to be definitely protected while having makeup on while you're in the sun. Next, I'm going to go in, and this is the very most important part about this flawless foundation application. You want to take a translucent powder or some type of baking powder. Well, not baking powder because you don't want to bake your face, but you want to take some type of powder like a translucent or a setting powder, and you want to put this on your face after you apply the application of the moisturizer. This is just going to help it to get on there, and then after I get it all over my face, I brush some of it off so that it's not clumpy. And I'm going to go with my Too Faced, and this is going to be their concealer. I love this. It just conceals all of my acne scars and acne marks that I have on my face. So I go in, put all of this over my face. This is going to stick really well just for the fact that you have that setting powder or that translucent powder on there. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender, which I do get this a little bit damp, and then I go throughout my face and make sure this is all blended in. After that is all blended in, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced as well, and this is going to be their foundation. I do have this in the color Warm Beige. I'm going to put a little drops on my face throughout, and then I'm going to go ahead with my beauty blender again with it being damp and going and just dabbing and making sure that's all blended in too. I love this foundation because it just goes on so smooth and just ends up looking like my skin after you wait for a few minutes for it to set. It just comes out very natural. Next up is my Fenty, and this is going to be my contour stick. I am so in love with this, y'all. Like, it goes on so smooth, and it just helps me to contour my face very easy, slim down my nose, give my face just some definition, and warms it up a little bit. This is something that I do every day, no matter what type of foundation application I'm trying to do, even if it is to cover up my acne and just make sure that my skin looks flawless, or if it is that I am about to go out on a date night and I want to dress up, then I still will always contour my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals, and this is going to be their pressing powder. So this just goes on so light, and I love this to warm up my face as well. So as you can tell, just putting it all throughout my face, just lightly brushing that on. Then I like to go in with my blush. This is going to be from CoverGirl, so not expensive at all. I just like to brush this on my cheeks to make that give a little bit of color. And then I'm going to start on my eyes. So on my eyes, I am using this really cool eyeliner. I did get this in a gift box, so I really don't know where it's from, but it works really good. The second one for my bottom lash, I like to use e.l.f. This one is just very smooth and it's creamy, and so it goes on very soft instead of you like ripping your eyelid out. So I really like this one. Next, with my eyes, I am going to go in with my favorite mascara. I will link this below as well, but it's by Maybelline. Highlight. Everybody knows highlight is gold. So when you put that highlight on, it just brightens your face immediately, gives your face a nice glow, but not like an oily shine. And I just love this. I just like to blend this in with any type of brush just to make sure it's in there. Look at that glow, y'all. Next is my lips. You cannot forget about that. So I like to line my lips with this NYX lip liner. I love how smooth it goes on, and I just get this natural color because it's gonna blend really well and match perfectly with my lipstick that I like to use. So I do, after I blend, I like to, you stay within the lines, y'all, stay within the lines. But I go in next with my MAC lipstick. I just love this color. It's very natural. You can definitely wear this every day for an everyday makeup look, or you can definitely wear this for a date night as well. You guys know I love dates. And then I'm going to finish my lips off with this nice lip gloss. You guys can use any kind that you like. To finish this look, we are going to spray our nice setting spray on there. And there you guys have it. That is my flawless foundation with Acne. It makes my skin just look so natural and you can't see any of the marks. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one.